In this video, I'll show you how to test Stripe payment methods in Systeme.io so you can make sure everything works before going live. First, log into your Systeme.io account and head to the settings. Under Payment Gateways, connect your Stripe account if you haven't already. Once it's connected, you'll be able to use both live and test modes. To test payments, you need to switch your Stripe account into test mode. You can do this from your Stripe dashboard by toggling the View Test Data option. Next, go back into Systeme.io and set up a product or order form like you normally would. When editing the payment settings, Stripe will automatically use test mode if you're connected that way. This allows you to simulate real purchases without charging a card. Now, use Stripe's test card numbers. For example, the standard Visa test card is 4242 repeated 4 times. Enter it into the checkout form along with any future expiration date and a random 3-digit CVC code. Submit the form and Systeme.io will process it just like a live payment, but no money moves. Check your Stripe dashboard under test mode to confirm the payment went through. Once you're satisfied, switch back to live mode to start accepting real payments. That's how you test Stripe payments in Systeme.io. Subscribe